Hello! In this video, we will be demonstrating how to utilize the new AI Ready report as part of the GB Longevity 100 genetic testing suite. This tutorial is for individuals viewing their own results in the patient portal HealthWatch 360 on a desktop or laptop computer. Please check out another video if you are accessing it on the mobile app, as the instructions are slightly different. So let's get started by logging into your HealthWatch 360 account. Go to healthwatch360.gbhealthwatch.com and click the Sign In button. Once you are signed in, go to the Genetic Testing tab. Under My Genetic Reports, you will see the Longevity 100 report. Click View Report to open it. Click on the red PDF icon in the upper right corner. Select Longevity 100 AI Ready report to begin the download. This AI report is optimized for ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude, but you can use any AI tool of your choice. All prompts and instructions are included in the PDF report. The chatbot will be able to read your de-identified report and respond to your questions about the results. The first page of the AI Ready report includes instructions on how to upload the report to the AI tool, which we will do now. Open a new window with your preferred AI chatbot. In this instructional video, we will be using ChatGPT. Click on the plus sign to add a file. Select the PDF we just downloaded and submit. It may take a few seconds to a minute to fully analyze the document and instructions. Let's go through the results. First, we see a quick summary of the different sections. There is a longevity profile score, a health insights section with key findings, and finally an action plan. You can ask simple commands or questions such as, give me a summary of my top genetic risks, or more specific questions such as, how does this variant affect my cholesterol levels? Read through the report and continue asking the chatbot your interactive questions. For example, in this report we see a variant identified in the LDLR gene that causes familial hypercholesterolemia. You can ask, what are the treatment options for someone with FH? Should my family get tested? You'll get personalized recommendations based on the genetic findings in the report. Please note that the information provided is for educational purposes only and does not diagnose a disease or replace medical advice. Always review your results with your doctor or healthcare provider before making any medical decisions. Thank you for watching.